If you're considering your options or preparing for results day, but not sure how clearing works, then don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the UCAS clearing process step by step. Step 1. Check your application status. First, you'll need to check if you're eligible for clearing. Check your application in the UCAS hub and you should see your status at the top of the page. Step 2. Get your clearing number. If you're eligible, we'll issue you a clearing number. You'll find this in your application. Make sure you have this handy alongside your personal ID number when you start calling universities or colleges. Step 3. Research available courses. Now it's time to explore your options. Head to ucas.com/clearing to look at the vacancies available through clearing. Step 4. Contact the university or college. Call the university or college to inquire about the vacancy you're interested in. Make sure you have your clearing number, personal ID number, and your qualifications to hand when discussing the vacancy. Step 5. Make your decision. Once you've found the right course, the university or college will confirm whether they can offer you a place. You can then add this choice to your UCAS application, providing you're not holding an offer. Let the university or college know once you've added them as a clearing choice, and they can confirm your place. And that's it. It may feel like a lot, but with a little organisation, you'll be able to navigate clearing smoothly. Head to ucas.com/clearing for any further questions you may have.